My name is Fatima. I am 21 years old. I was born in Kabul, Afghanistan. Tonight is my wedding night. My heart is full of love and hope. I married Reza, a kind man from Iran. Our story started many months ago. He came to Afghanistan for work. We met at a small cafe. At first, we only talked about books and music. But slowly, we looked at each other with different eyes. I felt something new in my heart. He was gentle, polite, and always smiling. I knew I was falling in love. When Reza asked me to marry him, I felt shy but very happy. My family agreed. His family agreed too. Tonight is the first night of our life together. After the wedding, after the music and the guests, we came to our room. The door closed. The world outside became quiet. My white dress was long and heavy. I sat on the bed, nervous but excited. The lights were soft. Roses were in a vase near the window. The smell of flowers filled the air. Reza walked slowly toward me. He did not hurry. His steps were calm. I looked at him. He looked at me with warm eyes. I felt my cheeks red. I felt my heart beat faster and faster. He sat beside me and held my hand. His hand was warm, strong, and gentle. I felt safe. He smiled and whispered, "Fatima, you are my wife now. You are my love." I smiled too. My lips were shaking, but I said, "And you are my husband. You are my life." For a moment, we just looked at each other. We did not need words. Our eyes spoke. Our hearts spoke. I felt like time had stopped. I felt that this moment would stay with me forever. Reza lifted my hand and kissed it. His lips were soft. His kiss was gentle. I felt a sweet shiver in my body. I never felt this before. I felt safe. I felt loved. I felt beautiful. He touched my hair carefully. His fingers moved slowly. I closed my eyes. I felt calm and full of joy. I touched his face with my hand. His skin was warm under my fingers. I whispered his name, Reza. He leaned closer. I could feel his breath. My heart was jumping. He kissed me softly on the lips. It was our first kiss as husband and wife. It was sweet, simple, and full of meaning. I felt tears in my eyes, but they were not sad tears. They were happy tears. I was with the man I loved, the man I trusted, the man who crossed borders for me. We hugged. His arms were strong around me. I felt safe, as if nothing in the world could hurt me. I rested my head on his shoulder. I listened to his heartbeat, strong and steady. I closed my eyes and whispered, "This is the night I will never forget." The room was silent. Only our breaths, only our hearts. The stars outside were shining. The moonlight came through the window and touched our faces. I felt that even the sky was watching us. I kissed him again. He kissed me back. Soft, tender, slow. I felt that love was alive between us, strong and pure. This was not just the end of a wedding day. This was the beginning of our forever.